Hi everyone, I am Karan and welcome to Karan's Gyan. Today I'll be talking about a biotechnology company or a medical research company that has the third highest market capitalization after Biocon and Eris Life Sciences. This company recently came out with its quarter one results and it showed a really good profit compared to its previous quarters. This company is called Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company. It used to be a part of Sun Pharmaceuticals a couple of years ago. However, it demerged from Sun Pharmaceuticals when the board of Sun Pharma decided that it wants to separate its medical research arm from its generics drug division. This, after looking at the website and after looking at the results and especially the products Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company has, I feel that this company is doing all right for the division of medical research and biotechnology. It is in the segment of oncology, which is basically cancer related ailments. It is also in the segment of neurodegeneration, which is neurology related ailments. It is involved in ophthalmology, which is eye related ailments, and the fourth segment, which it is involved in, is dermatology, which is skin and hair related ailments. Let us have a look at its research. So, like I said, it's involved in oncology, neurodegeneration, ophthalmology, and dermatology. If I look at its R&D pipeline, it has about 10 drugs that are in its R&D pipeline. So R&D is research development pipeline, and there are various phases for a drug to be approved by the market and for the drug to be in circulation. It has discovery phase, preclinical phase. It has three trials basically. Then it registers with the authority that approves the drug, and it finally gets approved, and there's a market for it. As of now, it has come up with two drugs, which is related to epilepsy. This is a neurology related problem, and glaucoma, which is an eye related problem, which is a part of ophthalmology. If I look at the the segment, if I look at it in US, uh, the drug which is there for epilepsy, which is called Ellipsia, is in pre-registration phase, whereas the drug called Celpros has been approved and is in the market in the US. So this is quite an achievement for the company. Now let me talk specifically about the medicine. So this Zelpros is basically a glaucoma related medicine, and glaucoma is a disease or an ailment, as I would say, that affects the eye pressure, or the eye pressure, such as you have a blood pressure in your body, which is the blood pressure in your vessels, whereas the eye pressure which is there, it is the pressure of fluids that is exerted on the eye, and it causes serious effects such as blinding. And secondly, it has this drug called Ellipsia, which is for epilepsy. And what happens with epilepsy is majorly patients have to take 2000 to 3000 milligram of this API every day. And actually, this is taking many pills together, because 2000 milligram and 3000 milligram is a huge size pill. So basically, they designed a pill that has higher strengths of 1000 mg to 1500 mg, compared to the pills that are available in the market of 500 mg to 700 mg, thus reducing the pill burden. And this has received a very good response in the US, and like I showed you earlier, it has been approved by the FDA and is in the market. Now let us look at its quarterly results. Its quarterly results have been exceptional, and the thing with research company is they are researching on drugs, so the research of drugs has fixed costs. And for many years you would have that fixed cost that is continuous, and it can take a toll on a company's balance sheet. The company that is doing a lot of R&D work should be willing to accept losses without any proven results for many years. And after maybe 5 or 6 years it would be able to come up with medicines that are actually useful. And this is what has happened with the company Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company. It has approved two medicines like I showed you earlier, which is Zelpros and Ellipsia, one for glaucoma and one for epilepsy. And it seems that this company has finally become a profit making company for various quarters, such as March 2020 and June 2019. It was making a loss. If I look at quarter on quarter basis, it had a revenue of only 22 crores last quarter, whereas this quarter the revenue is 185 crores, and has turned from a loss making company to a profit making company, from a loss of 100 crores to 56 crores. Now if I talk about expenses, so research based companies have generally flat expenses. There is not much change quarter on quarter basis, and that's why we see about a flat net expense. If I look at quarter on quarter basis, it's flat, and even if I look at year on year basis, it is pretty much flat, because the research expenses pretty much have fixed costs. If I look on year basis, I see the revenue from operations have increased from 17 crores to 185 crores, about a tenfold increase. And if I look at the net profit also, the net profit has changed from 94 crore loss to a 56 crore profit. And it seems to me that this company has finally made it, and it has come out of the red zone, where its drugs are just in the research phase and aren't in the market. And if this continues, if the company comes up with more drugs, it would have a bigger profit that you can see. However, I would give a disclaimer in research based companies. Now, just because Sun Pharma has achieved a profit, it doesn't mean all research based companies would receive a profit. And moreover, if it has received a profit in this quarter, it doesn't mean that it will receive the same amount of profit in the next quarter, because just like Sun Pharma, its competitors are also doing research. So this research is more or less like a cutthroat competition, because every industry is involved in research. It's not just Sun Pharma. And if tomorrow, after maybe 1 or 2 quarters, this drug shows some side effects, it would have to, withdraw the drug from the market, and it would have to go into the research mode again. So this is a continuous profit. The company would show various losses for 5 to 6 years, only for it to show a good profit after 5 to 6 years. So guys, this is my take on Sun Pharma, and this company is trading at about 180 rupees right now, and it seems to me a good company. However, I won't ask you to invest in this company if you don't have a portfolio of 50 lakh rupee plus. If you have a portfolio of 50 lakh rupee plus, you can invest maybe 50 60,000 rupees in this company. I won't advise more than that. So guys, this is my research on Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company, and I hope you like my video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.